All right, traders, a very warm welcome to you all. It's Sunday, 16th February, 9:20 p.m., and I welcome you all to post-market analysis, outlook, and expectations from the market for next week. All right, we have already done our monthly analysis and outlook for the month of February. Just for a while, I'll talk about that, and there are two to three news flows. On a brief, I'll talk about that and what impact it can have. All right, and apologies for bringing this video a little bit late this time, because generally this video weekly analysis we have for our regular Telegram viewers generally on Saturday, right? But due to some family emergencies, I was not able to make the video, and I'm making this video a little bit late. But my analysis would still remain the same, and I will try my best to inform you and able to help you take the best decision in the market for the coming week. All right, so let's not consume any more time, एंड एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि देखो क्या न्यूज़ फ्लो हैं. एक जो न्यूज़ फ्लो है दैट इज़ F-35 वाला डील. तो उसका जो मेरे को लगता है पर्सपेक्टिव वो ये है कि सिंस नाउ वी आर बाइंग अमेरिकन फाइटर जेट, सो इफ़ वी आर बाइंग समथिंग, सो उसके बदले में हमें कुछ मिलता भी है यूएस से. सो वी माइट बी आउट ऑफ द रेडार ऑफ यूएस सैंक्शंस, विच इज़ अ पॉजिटिव न्यूज़, which might which is a positive news, but it is not sure that it will bring a positive impact on the markets or not. Second news, the RBI will again inject liquidity into the system, so which can spike up the inflation, but for the time being it is the need of the hour. So these are the two positive news on the basis of which we can uh, see some positivity around the markets for the next week, whether it will be a dead cat bounce of 400 500 points, whether it will be a slow recovery, whatever it is. But these two news flows are not negative, let me tell you. These are not negative, and it can bring some hope to the markets. I do not expect but some positivity to come after seeing the charts, but if the sentiment is being turned around, it can turn the charts also around, because as I always say, the charts are driven by sentiments, sentiments are driven by history, and the data is driven by charts. Whatever people see on the charts, the data is built up accordingly. All right, so first we need to understand the sentiment, then using sentiment charts form, and using charts the data is formed. So ये दो न्यूज़ फ्लो हो सकते हैं कि कुछ पॉजिटिविटी ले आए, and we'll discuss on charts ki what will be some crucial levels which we can discuss. All right, so let's without consuming any more time, let's straight go to the chart. And देखो फ्राइडे को हुआ क्या when the markets closed, right? uh, we opened around, I think flat ही खुले थे almost, and then we went little, हाँ morning में we had a very sideways session. We went up and we also discussed, देखो जो हमने analysis दिया था फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग को, व्हाट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट दैट अंटिल अनलेस 23,250 और 23,250 का लेवल हमने दिया था, अंटिल अनलेस द लेवल ऑफ 23,250 इज नॉट गेटिंग क्रॉस, डू नॉट इवन थिंक ऑफ गोइंग लॉन्ग. हुआ क्या, अब पीपल, जो नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बिहेवियर होता है, दे स्टे इन द होप कि if at all the up move comes, we'll be in profit. So many people I observed on the Telegram group, many people started buying the calls, cheap calls here, in the hope that if the market comes up, then we'll be in profit. So I would like to tell you one single point, that the market does not work on hopes, right? So if you think that हम यहाँ लेके कुछ बैठ जाएंगे call या put and the market will go up, it will not go up, right? So eventually the market, when the market broke down the level of 23,000, we did not short here. But when the market started breaking the level of 23,900, we initiated a short here, and the plan was to be aggressive कि अगर market, if the markets are breaking 100 to 150 points, we'll short for 120, 100 to 120 points, and if the markets are reversing, we'll book at that point. So यहाँ पे at this point, exactly at this point, I felt that, you know, the price action, क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सपोर्ट आया, and why it is being a support, because it is an earlier support also. So if the markets are coming at a support, there is a probability that the markets will bounce. So market intraday it went to 777, which is January month low. All right, so if the January month low is being hit, some support is बाउंड टू हैपन. सो यहाँ पे जब मार्केट हिट हुआ, एंड मैंने वहाँ पे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे भी आई अपडेटेड दैट नाउ वी कैन बुक आर शॉर्ट्स. वी शॉर्टेड एट 23,900 ब्रेक. वी कैप्चर्ड दिस मूव एंड द strategy, the plan was to be a little bit aggressive in booking. So we booked and exactly मार्केट ने यहाँ पे एक डबल बॉटम डब्ल्यू पैटर्न बनाया एंड मार्केट बाउंस फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. सो अब फॉर द कमिंग week, this is the biggest reference point, which is 22,777. All right, ठीक है. So now we'll go to monthly time frame on a just on a quick basis. एक मैं आपको I'll try to explain a theory which I'm trying to form, which is I am giving it a name as Wick theory. Its concept says that कहीं भी market, if the market is trying to make a wick, देखो यहाँ पे this wick got formed, the markets are coming to cover that wick, right? If we are in a downtrend, so markets are coming for covering that wick, and then markets are going again. देखो this wick got covered by this move, so ये if the wick got formed here, market went up, then again came down. All right, so I'll bring a separate video with proofs on this wick theory. But if you guys remember the monthly outlook, I clearly mentioned one single range because the monthly start was like this. This is the complete range, and if we break out, we might come till this point in retracing this wick, and we have exactly done that, right? So if at all you remember, I'll attach the link of the monthly outlook. I specifically discussed that 23,500 is the point, and on the downside 23,300 is the point. Outside this we will get a good move. So we've started going below 23,300. The moment we started going below 23,300, we saw a very good move till the point of 22,777, right? So this was the monthly outlook we have, and exactly what we discussed. अब हो सकता, what can happen at the end of February, they might close this as a doji, so market eventually यहाँ पे आके वापस close हो जाएगा. So market went till this week, and again market might bring a doji. But if 22,777 is being broken, so next week मेरे को जो मार्केट में दिख रहा है दैट इज 21,300 का पॉइंट. बीच में वन एट वन प्लेस मार्केट विल टेक अ पॉज एट 22,500 एंड 22,000 ऑल्सो, बट वो इवेंचुअल टारगेट यही बन रहा है. Alright, so we'll keep apart these levels. We'll straight go to weekly since this is a weekly analysis. Alright, so now if you see the structure, what structure we are forming: big red candlestick, 2 weeks pause, big red candlesticks, 2 weeks pause. Then the structure changed, यहाँ पे एक बाउंस आया वीकली 50 MA. Then 4 weeks of progress or 4 weeks of bounce got retraced in 1 week. Then again 2 weeks pause. Then a big red candlestick. Then again 3 4 weeks move up. Then a big red candlestick. Now the point is 22,870, 22,777. If it all to be precise, आप ये वाला point mark कर लो. This is the ultimate level, because if the market start going beyond this level, the first level which we would see is 22,000. Clear level, because weekly 100 EMA is on the cards, right? So on Monday, if at all we start going below this, so first strategy क्या होगी? We will short below 22,750. If the markets are sustaining below 22,750, we will plan for a big red candlestick, weekly red candlestick like this, right? ये हमारा plan होगा. All right, on the upside, if you see, we won't go ultra bullish until the level of 23,500 or 23,600 is getting crossed. So ये एक range है आपके पास. It's a big range for you to have, right? So until unless ये on the upside clear नहीं होता, swing longs या swing नहीं, positional longs नहीं बन सकते. Positional longs is you are keeping a perspective of 1 month to 2 months. Swing longs we will we'll try to make on the daily time frame and hourly time frame. But since this is a, I think around 300 230 पॉइंट्स ये हो गए एंड ऑलमोस्ट 600 पॉइंट, तो 800 पॉइंट्स की रेंज है ये. सो मार्केट्स कैन स्टे इन दिस रेंज फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 weeks, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आपको देखो इस पूरे वीक में, इस पूरे मंथ में आई थिंक कि लास्ट 2 weeks होंगे, तो ऑलरेडी आपको इतना बड़ा मूव मिल चुका है. बट विक्स इज एट द लेवल ऑफ 14. इट इज़ नॉट एट द लेवल ऑफ 12 और 13 की आपको साइडवेज एक्शन मिलेगा. बट until unless we are breaking these two levels, we cannot go uh, ultra bearish or ultra bullish. All right. So if at all, on a जनरल लेवल, इफ यू सी द प्राइस एक्शन, देखो यहाँ पे प्राइस एक्शन बन क्या रहा है. पहले जो चीज़ आपका रेजिस्टेंस हुआ करती थी, द लेवल विच यूज टू बी अ रेजिस्टेंस, नाउ इट इज एक्टिंग एज सपोर्ट. एंड द नियर टारगेट फॉर मी, इफ इट ऑल वी ब्रेक 22,750 or 700, 22,500 is the first level, and ultimate level is 22,000. ठीक है, beyond 22,000 markets can go till 19,650, but that should go after taking a bounce, after taking around I think 500 to 1000 पॉइंट्स का बाउंस आने के बाद ही मार्केट्स वो ट्राई. क्योंकि देखो ऐसा होता है, वाई दिस हैपेंस इज द, इट्स अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लिक्विडिटी. नाउ इफ यू सी 2 weeks before, the market made a low at 22,800. All right, again we are at the same level, and again we took a small bounce. So since the market has been falling from such a long time, short करना हल्का सा difficult होता है. Yes, we you if a very big, very crucial or very psychological number is being broken on the downside, it is an easy trade. But if you go and see on the early time frame, it's not easy to short. See यहाँ पे ये easy to short कैसे बना, because the level of 22, ये जो support था, this got broken down. So आपको ये एक trade मिला, बट जिसने यहाँ पे शॉर्ट किया होगा, मार्केट फिर से रिट्रेस करके यहाँ पे आ गया. आर यू सीइंग? So since the market has been falling from such a long time, it is very difficult to short the market at this point of time. It would be easy to short the market अगर market एक ऐसी continuous 4 to 5 weeks की rally बनाए, then it would be a beautiful opportunity to short the market again with a price action like this. But if at all, if you just observe, if you would have shorted at this point, within 2 days, अगर आप, if you plan to go swing, markets again came at that level, again went down, again came up. So ये जो पूरा एरिया है, इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू शॉट, ये आपको मानना पड़ेगा. राइट. राइट. सो if we go on weekly time frame, so the discussion we were having on weekly time frame, on the upside, the moment we cross 23,600, we will start traveling towards the level of 24,000. All right, this is the only level on the upside which I am seeing, and we definitely need this bounce, क्योंकि देखो ये एक ऐसा रैली चल रहा है, this bounce is needed, then market might come again down, and then again markets might form a W. This might happen, but my analysis still remains the same as I have discussed earlier. मैंने जो एक पहले एक आपको रेंज मैंने बताई थी, if you guys remember, still I am very confident on that channel. I'll try to make you guys see that channel again. Right, अगर if you see, yes, this is what we have been planning from last 1 month. And ये I think last analysis मैंने इस point of time पे दिया था, and still we are not able to breach this zone. So still there is probability that we might see a bounce from this point. We might do this rally till 25,000, because on the topic of positivity coming into the markets due to money flow. एंड देन अगेन फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, बिकॉज ये वाला जो आपका रेंज होगा ना, दिस वुड बी सच अ ब्यूटीफुल रेंज. क्योंकि अगर देखो मार्केट को एक लंबे टाइम करेक्शन में जाना है ना, इफ द मार्केट्स वांट टू गो इन अ लॉन्ग टाइम बेस्ड करेक्शन, सो मार्केट्स हैज टू डू अ प्राइस प्लस टाइम बेस्ड करेक्शन लाइक दिस. मार्केट्स ऐसे ऐसे करेगा, फाइनली एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम क्या होगा, ये जो चैनल चल रहा है ना, इसका या तो ब्रेक डाउन होगा यहाँ पे, इट वुड बी अ बिग फॉल, और यहाँ पे जाके मार्केट सस्टेन करेगा, इट विल बी अ ब्रेकआउट एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो हमारा आउटलुक, द आउटलुक रिमेन्स द सेम, कि यहाँ से एक आपको पुल बैक देखने को मिलेगा, बट दैट विल ओनली डिपेंड इफ दिस लेवल इज प्रोटेक्टेड विच इज 22,777. इफ दिस इज ब्रीच, द new level which you would see is 22,500 and 22,000. All right, so this is the daily time frame, and daily time frame pe there is one crucial thing which I want to point out, is the crossover of 50 EMA over 200 EMA. This crossover is called as a death crossover, and this has happened in EMA just now, but in simple moving average this has happened long before. And do you want to see the time when it happened the last time? I'll make you guys see. The last time when we did this was around this part. If you guys see, this was a long bear run, 50 ma, 50 ma, 50 ma, 50 ma. At this point 50 ma started cutting 200 ma, and उसके बाद आप, if you can see, देर वॉज अ होल अनदर लेवल. बट जो आपका ये नेगेटिव क्रॉस ओवर होता है, दैट इज द लास्ट बेयर साइकिल विच वी सी. इससे पहले इफ यू सॉ द कोविड वॉज देयर. प्रायर टू दैट जो आपका क्रॉस ओवर हुआ था 50 का 200 को यहाँ पे, बहुत टाइम तक मार्केट वेंट अ ब्रूटली साइडवेज एंड सारी मूविंग एवरेजेस केम क्लोज टू ईच अदर, देन वी सॉ अ ब्रेकआउट इन द मार्केट्स. Alright, so this has happened. So we might see a pullback like this, and we might do the final leg rally also if at all we break the level of 22,777. Alright, but on the theory of these positive news coming, we might see a bounce. But for that to happen, we need to protect the level of 22,777, which is the Friday's low. Alright, so on daily basis, you can mark the level of 23,150, and on the downside 22,7, 22,777. Above 23,150 we will see the level of 23,250. Above 23,250 we will see the level of 23,380. Right, so swing longs will only come above prior day high. अगर ये prior day high breach हो रहा है, which is 23,150, so I will not focus on this 50 point. I will start adding longs above 23,200 itself. 23,200 I'll start adding one lot. 23,250, 300 second lot. Above 300, 350 third lot, final. I will maximum trade for a pullback like this, and I will try to short the market again for a range bound movement like this. If you see, we can again do like this, right? So be cautious in shorts at this point of time. Short the market only if 22,777 is being broken on the downside, and it might be also a trapping move, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अब shorts के लिए liquidity बची नहीं है. There is no liquidity left for shorts, so be careful in shorting the market at this point of time. All right, so on a daily time frame, if the level of 22,770 is being broken, 22,500 would be the first level, उसके बाद 22,250 would be the second level. All right, so if you go and see on the early time frame, एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि how the markets, if the markets are opening a gap up, how can we deal. If the markets are opening a gap up, तो यहाँ पे हो सकता है एक शॉर्ट कवरिंग मार्केट में ट्रिगर हो जाए. इफ द मार्केट्स आर ओपनिंग गैप अप, इफ द मार्केट्स आर ओपनिंग फ्लैट, you have to wait for the level of either 22,777 being cleared on the downside or for the level of 23,150, 200. ये पूरे रेंज में प्लीज डू नॉट ट्राई टू ट्रेड. डोंट ट्राई टू डू दिस मिस्टेक, डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक दैट हम तो यहाँ पे लेके बैठ जाएंगे कॉल या पुट, एंड ऑन ईदर साइड इफ द मार्केट्स आर ब्रेकिंग विल ट्रेड इन दैट डायरेक्शन. this is this does not work. I'll tell you why. Because most of the people are option buyers, and they sit and hope that it might happen, but they give away their stop loss in the time decay. The time decay happens. So what if these two ranges are not cleared? अगर मार्केट इसके बियॉन्ड जाता ही नहीं है तो आप, you will get trapped in both call and put, right? So let this range get cleared. उसके बाद if this range is being cleared, we will have a great enormous opportunity to travel around 400 to 500 points in Nifty. But let this range get cleared once. All right, if at all we are opening flat, we just have to, because since we are nearer to the prior day low, there is a high probability that we might break 23 22,777. If we break that, we might short the markets again for this move, right? But if the markets are showing some support, the first sign of support would be the clearing of level of 23,150. I will wait because we might form a W pattern. So I have tried to explain ample number of times कि ये वाला जो price action होता है, it is one of my favorite price action to trade. So major bulls get added at this point, and the trade comes like this. So currently the same pattern is being formed here. If you see, तो अगर if the market start starts moving beyond this point, so ये वाला आपको exactly आपको price action देखने को मिलेगा, and the major bulls for short covering will get added beyond the level of 23,200 for a move till 24,000. All right. So have patience in the market. The trade, let the trade come to you. Do not run behind any trade. Right. Uh, we have discussed the levels on early time frame. 15 minutes time frame. The strategy remains the same until and unless I would recommend do not trade in this range 23,250 and 23 22,777. It's a big range, but if at all you trade, the markets will go up and it will come down. It will go up and it will come down. Above this point you will see this move, below this point you would see a down move till 22,500 or 22,000. All right, so let's quickly go to bank nifty, what discussion we need to have for bank nifty. All right, bank nifty may we'll go to the weekly level, and last week what discussion we had a positive outlook for bank nifty because the closing was above prior weekly high, but still this time we have not closed below prior weekly low, so it's a confusion candle. What we'll do, we'll straight mark the weekly high and weekly low. Below weekly low we will in bank nifty below 48,750 we will see the level of 47,883. Below 47,883 बैंक निफ्टी विल बी आई थिंक इन अ ग्रेट पेन, अगर ये होता है तो 45,000 आ जाएगा easily, right? Above the prior week high which is 50,000 we will see the level of 5,500. Above 5,500 we will see the level of 51,000. Above 51,000 we might do 52,000. All right, so let's go on daily time frame quickly and see what bank nifty is trying to do. देखो बैंक निफ्टी एज पर आर डिस्कशन, ये जो बैंक निफ्टी के पास रेंज थी, बैंक निफ्टी ने इसको तोड़ा एंड जितना रेंज यहाँ पे था उतना नीचे मार्केट ने प्रोजेक्ट डाउन किया है. स्टिल सम ऑफ द मूवमेंट इज लेफ्ट टिल 46,000 45,000, क्योंकि ये जो मूव होता है ये पूरा यहाँ आता है, इतना बड़ा मूव, right? This is the box theory or Darvas box theory which many people call it, but मैं how I recall is अगर if you are marking this range like this, so equal movement can come on the downside. So ये movement यहाँ तक अभी तक हाफ आया है and ये till 46,500 this movement is still remaining, right? But बैंक निफ्टी में अगर आप if you देखो यहाँ पे बाइंग आई, somebody is buying at the level of 48,750, right? यहाँ से भी बाइंग आई, so the crucial level for बैंक निफ्टी would be the level of 48,770. All right, if we break this will be an easy move. If we break on the upside, अगर मार्केट ऐसा कुछ बनाने का कोशिश करता है तो आई विल एड लॉन्ग्स. whoever trades in bank nifty try adding longs above 50,600, उससे पहले लॉन्ग्स नहीं आएंगे मार्केट में. All right, so if you go on 15 minutes time frame, if the markets are opening a big gap down, the narrative for nifty and bank nifty would be negative. बट होगा क्या अगर बहुत बड़ा गैप डाउन खुलता है ना, तो आई थिंक द शॉर्ट्स विच आर इन द सिस्टम फ्रॉम दिस रैली it will try to get booked. So trading big shorts, big gap downs is always a difficult challenge. It is always tricky because what market will do, let's suppose एक बहुत बड़ा gap down हुआ at this point. All right, at this point the market is opening a big gap down. Markets will show you a price action which you will see and you it will make you think that markets are going bullish, but it will not, right? So trading gap downs is a little bit tricky and you need to be on a lighter note in terms of your position sizing. All right, so in bank nifty what you need to take care of is if it's a big gap down the outlook would be negative and bearish and we will wait for the level 48,770 to get broken down. If the markets are opening a big gap up, so we might see a short covering above 50,000. All right, if the markets are opening flat, try not to trade between this range. The same goes for nifty also. So quickly we'll go and we'll analyze the OI data, what OI data went on Friday. All right, so if you see the OI change, almost double the number of shorts being added on nifty, which is the negative outlook. The biggest support which is coming is at 23,000, but currently we are at the level of 22,900. So if you guys see, okay, just one second, if you guys see, currently we are at 22,900. The biggest support now is the biggest support is at 22,000 for 20th Feb. There is 75 lakhs of put Y. Second biggest is 22,500. Third biggest is 22,800. So if 22,800 is being broken down, 22,800 का अगर आप 20th Feb का, if you see the call option price 22,800, it is almost 240 points. So ये वाले जो भी call sellers हैं, sorry, 100 points of the put premium. So the real, when these put sellers will start panicking, when 20 to 700 is being breached. So that's why I'm saying कि अगर ऐसा होता है, if Nifty 50 has started breaching the level of 22,777, but a strong support might come at 22 700 650 के अराउंड रेंज पे, अगेन अ सपोर्ट. सो फिर एक छोटी शॉर्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी बनेगी 750 से 600, बट हो सकता है 600 650 से एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बाउंस आए, right? If you go and see, the biggest resistance is at 23,000. So the moment we move above 23,100, so if you go see 23,000 का call option 135, so 23,135 के ऊपर ही, so technically 23,150 200, that's why I'm saying on Nifty 23,200 के ऊपर ही एक strong move आएगा. Above 23,200 only a strong move will come. All right. So above 23,000 we might see 23,100 200 and eventually 300. 300 is a big resistance. So एक अगर जो पुल बैक आएगा that might come till 23,300, वहां से आपको एक again you might see a point of resistance. Alright, अगर 300 निकलता है तो 500 will be an easy move. Let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty में if you see the OI change, uh, there is a good number of addition. Okay, this is total. So there is a good number of addition in call shorts and a good unwinding of put side. But this generally happens on Friday, because Friday people try to book, people try to not carry anything, right? Um, the total open interest. Okay, the biggest resistance is at 49,000, and the support, I'm not seeing support anywhere near. Let me check. 49,000 is a good support on टोटल ओपन इंटरेस्ट, बट 49,000 पे बहुत सारा कॉल वाई बन के गया है. सो 49,000 वेयर इज बैंक निफ्टी एट द करंट टाइम 49,050 only. So 49,000 remains crucial point. So that's why I'm saying that if a move comes below 49,000, which is 48,777, we might see 1,000 point move below it. ये पूरा मूव आपको देखने को मिलेगा. All right, so this was it, traders, from my side. This was the total outlook and analysis what we have discussed. I hope that you must have liked the video if you have watched till this part, right? If you are someone from the Telegram group, uh, like the video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, if you are a regular viewer, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video. And if you are someone new watching the video for the first time, and if you have liked the content, subscribe to the channel. Do join our Telegram group. In that Telegram group we discuss each and everything in and out regarding trading, what to buy, where to buy. We are not giving proper buy and sell calls, but we are making you teach that how to buy and where to buy. So everything in and out of trading, it goes in that Telegram group. So if you wish to join, I will leave the link to that Telegram group in the description. Do join that. Cheers traders, stay safe in the market.